Today in the grain markets, soybeans are on the rise. Strong Chinese imports really helped boost that market, especially after the free fall we had last week. Now the bullish position holders are starting to win again, and they've kind of wrestled control of the market, and it's starting to work its way back up. There's a gap that has to be filled yet. It hasn't quite gotten there yet, but we had a strong showing today, so it looks like the market has stabilized, at least for the time being, and starting to still push forward. Funds are still long the soybean contract, so we still have a long way to go, even watching weather and everything that's happening with U.S. and China as far as the trade war goes. Now, corn was steady today, and China buys are offset by all the other bearish news. Interestingly enough, the largest single day purchase of corn by China in 26 years still wasn't able to turn this market around. I think there's real concerns that down the road that we're going to have difficulty really moving any more corn, or as we're watching weather or or crop size, if they start to reduce the amount of acres we had lost from the acreage report on June 30th, all these things could be in play going forward. And so I think that that uncertainty kind of froze everyone out of the market and really didn't respond the way we normally would have expected. So even though today the market did go lower again, but it was able to recover and traded on both sides of unchanged. Perhaps the free fall is a little bit over and starting to stabilize somewhat. We'll keep our fingers crossed, and we're going to watch what happens for the rest of the week. Now, wheat did rally today. That was the big winner, up over 20 cents. Russia cut their crop estimate again, and that really gave the market a big boost. So we're well beyond what our original objective was, and it's really encouraging to note that of the idea that there is a vaccine may be close. I mean, these kind of reports sometimes fall into the market a little bit, and it struck a chord with the stock market, so that started to move as well, and that just really started to bump up wheat and to continue its rally. But I think that all that does add more pressure to the upside of this market. So I don't know that there's any end in sight right now, but as long as we have continued follow through buying, we're going to see the market continue to rise.